Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a Facebook banner from your Instagram profile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. Once you've done that, open up Instagram. Now from here, we want to click onto our profile on the bottom right hand corner of the page. And as you can see, under my name, I've got the Facebook banner here. So we want to go ahead and remove this. So in order to do this, we need to go ahead and click on Edit Profile. And now if we scroll down, under links, it says banners. Tap onto banners. Now inside the banners section, on your profile, it says Lukey Facebook. So in order to remove it, just click on the little cross like so, and then it will say remove banner. This will remove your Facebook link from banners. You can always add it back at any time. So click on remove, and now it should say no banners, and then click the tick on the top right hand corner of the page. Now if I go back to my profile, you can see that banner has been successfully removed from my Instagram profile.